What's happening, man? So today I'm going to be talking about what's going to be my scent of the day today, and that is Dior Homme 2020. But before we get into that, if you like the content, make sure to subscribe and ring the damn bell. So Dior Homme 2020 does get some shit from people in comment sections. I see, maybe not a lot, but I see somewhat of a lot of people bashing this and saying they don't want the 2020. They want an older bottle. They prefer an older bottle. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, we get it. You're an elitist. You're a fragrance snob. Calm down. Life's short, like your wiener. So just live with the 2020. It's not bad. It's a good fragrance. I got my nose on it back in early 2021. I had heard about it quite a bit, and I wasn't too eager to get it because I was kind of reading some of the hate for quite a while. And then I saw it at Ulta when I was there, and I smelt it, and I thought, this smells really good. What the hell's the problem? So to my nose, and I have the dry down on the test strip, but we're going to spray the atomizer so you guys can check it out. Wait, what am I doing? We got to go over the bottle first. We're going to go over the bottle, then we're going to spray it and talk about the fragrance. Beautiful, simple, classic Dior Homme bottle. Isn't that sexy and subtle and just classy looking? I think so. Get the logos there. The cap is lightweight plastic, but it does not feel cheap. It's Dior, so it doesn't feel cheap. You do have the little logo on the top there. Atomizer's nice, and it's Dior, so of course the atomizer is going to be nice. What are you thinking? That's a no-brainer. Again, I have the dry down on the test strip. This stuff, to me, to simplify it, is a very sexy, smooth, almost dusty and resinous fragrance. It's woody, but it's not a harsh woody. It's a very smooth, like I said, very smooth, musky, woody fragrance. And again, a little bit dusty, a little bit resinous. I assume the ISOE Super has a lot to do with that because I think that comes off as somewhat of a, a smooth, creamy, woody note. I do get a lot of the cedar, somewhat of the pepper as well to my nose. Again, to simplify, it's hard, but it's also simple to explain. If that makes sense, it probably doesn't. But it's not a harsh fragrance at all. I have Dior Homme Parfum, and I like that fragrance, but it's a little bit harsh to my nose. It's a little bit too waxy to my nose. Something like this, I wear way more. This is easy. This is friendly. This is not offensive at all. I think it's crowd pleasing. I think they did exactly what they should have done in 2020 by releasing this. And again, I haven't smelt the older bottle, so I can't say. One of my buddies said he used to own it, and he could have sworn that we'd hung out many times when I wore it, but I don't remember that at all. I don't remember what it smells like if I did smell it. All I know is the Dior Homme 2020 bottle, and I love it. I think that it's all ages, any occasion. It does come off somewhat classy to me. You could wear it with a white t-shirt. I have, and I loved it. I've gotten a lot of compliments with this stuff. Again, I'm kind of reiterating what I said already, but it's a very smooth, very creamy, very somewhat resinous, woody fragrance that I like I said, I think everybody's going to love this if you haven't gotten your nose on already. As far as pricing goes, I have Fragrance Net pulled up here. I think that you're going to roughly pay at your local Ulta or mall pretty much what you're going to pay online. Dior is not really discounted very often. This small 50 milliliter bottle is roughly, with the discount code, the 25% discount code on Fragrance Net, you're going to pay roughly $78 for this. And I've seen some bottles on eBay that are 3.4 ounce for like a, I found one for $70 on here on eBay. But one of my buddies says that he got a bottle of Dior Homme Intense off of eBay and it was a fake. I can't verify that. That's just what he told me. So again, in my opinion, I would just go get this at the mall or from Ulta, wherever you can find it, because you're not going to get massive discounts online. Maybe you will. Comment down below if you know where to get it massively discounted, but I don't see Dior discounted very often. I just want to make the video because I think that this gets super undeserved hate. I think people that hate on it are just being snobs or just being ridiculous. This fragrance is freaking awesome. Like I said, anybody can wear this. I think almost anybody's going to love it. I don't see how it's going to offend anybody or turn them off. It's woody. It's a little bit resinous and dusty, but it's also creamy and musky. Beautiful stuff. Very sexy stuff. Get your nose on it if you haven't already. It's early. The sun's not come up yet, but I got to get my butt ready for work. Just wanted to talk about this fragrance because I get excited every time I wear it. So get your nose on it if you haven't already. Dior Homme 2020. Beautiful stuff. Like the video if you like the video. Like it even if you don't like it. Why not? You got nothing better to do. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't know what you're doing here if you haven't subscribed. I'd still want you around, but you should subscribe. Until next time, guys, be well. I'm out of here.